I add and format bar chart in this widget. Select Sales Data Sheet, then click on Insert tab, click on Pivot Table, click OK. Rename this sheet Bar Chart, then drag and drop Item field in Rows box, Category field in Columns box, and Quantity field in Values box. Then click on Pivot Chart, click on Bar, select 100% Stacked Bar, click OK. Hide all field buttons on chart, then click on Legends, select bottom, then remove vertical lines, resize, copy this chart and paste in the this widget. Resize, drag down, then resize this bar chart. I format this bar chart, click on Format, select No Fill and No Outline, then select Vertical Axis Values, change the value colors white, and Horizontal Axis Values, change the color white, then select Legends, change the legend colors white and increase the size up to 10.5. Then I format all these series one by one. Double click on this chart, then select this series, select gradient fill. For this gradient, I select gradient type linear and I use these two colors. These are already selected. For this gradient button, select this color, and for this gradient, select this color. Then select this series. Again select this series. I select border color. Solid line with white color. Then select this series. Click on gradient fill. Select color for this gradient, this color, and for this gradient, this color, and select gradient type linear with 90 degree. Then select this series, select gradient fill. For this series, select this color white and select this color, this color. I also select borderline white and borderline white for this series. Then select this series. For this series, select gradient fill. Select a red color for this gradient type and this color for this gradient. Then select this series. I also select borderline white for this series. Then select this series Select gradient fill. For this gradient, select this color, and for this gradient, select this color. So these series are formatted by using gradient fill. Next, I add here vertical lines. Click on Format or Design tab. Then click on Add Chart Element. Go to Axes. Then click on Primary Vertical. Now I need to select grid lines. Click on Primary Major Vertical. Select these lines. Select Solid. Then select White. And select transparency for these vertical lines up to 50. Then select this vertical axis. Select solid line and color for this line white color. So this chart is formatted.